Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this paper boat. You will need paper, could have A4 size or square, and you might need scissors. It's a might. First, if you have A4 paper, you will need a square. So take the corner and hold it. Right here, and then line it. And make sure to flip it over, hold it back. Oops. And then line. Make sure it's in the line. And now, hold it back. There's two ways to take this off. The first way, I have to do this, is greasing it really, really well. And this is how you could do it. This means you don't need scissors. You cut, you just rip up the top of that hole, and then you just peel. Usually it goes straight. This time I didn't want to. I didn't grease it well. But anyway, or you could just use scissors and just nip. Just cut this all off. Once you have that cut out, open it and it's a square. So to hold the other side, like this, in line. Once you have like this, a triangle, you're gonna fold it. Gonna fold it towards the middle. Put it down all around. Flip it over, you have another square. Fold in again. Flip it over, go again. You'll actually slowly form these small squares. You just fold it. Now when you turn it over, you'll have these flaps, but they will have these gaps. So, what you want to do, grab and push. I'll show you again. You grab each side from the inside. You're just gonna push it out. So these parts are good. Now, go back here, find these parts, take these things out, and smush. In here, pick it up, make two pieces, smush. You can put these back, open these up a bit, and you got your boat. If you want, you can draw stuff on it. But that's how to make your very own boat. Thanks for watching. Bye.